At the end of last week's video,
Okay.
I mentioned that
I have some bad news.
the bad news was a family emergency that breaks our hearts. So we are turning around and heading back to Texas, and as things go, ran through some hairy obstacles.
This is a wider thing. Look at that. He's just right on it.
Oh my God.
But there is a silver lining.
Remember how I said I think I have an idea? We have a family emergency, so we are going to need to head back west, head back to Texas. We're going to leave early in the morning, and I don't know if we're going to drive straight through or not, but we will keep you posted. What I need to do now is get on the phone and see if I can make some, well, do some cancellations and hopefully get some refunds back, or credits or nothing, I don't know. Anyway, here we go. Yes, hi, this is Gail Marlin, and we have a reservation with you guys, and a family emergency has popped up, and I need to see what we need to do to cancel and what your policies are. Yes. Hi, we had a reservation, and unfortunately we had a family emergency come up, and I need to see what we need to do to cancel and how you can maybe help us. 50%? No, I understand. It was late notice. I need to see about making a cancellation. We had a family emergency. Sure, I can hold. Mark, will you call the KOAs? We're staying, I think it's 3 of them. We had a family emergency come up, and I need to see about canceling our reservation. Would a credit be possible? When will we have to use it by? I appreciate that. We'll try to do that. When do you need the dates by for the credit? Do you happen to know when the Tampa RV show is going to be in 2026? Oh, if you could look that up or find out, that would be awesome. Right. And then if the show isn't at that time in 2026, is there a way that we can adjust those dates? All right. Thank you. Yikes. I just need a break for a minute. You know, I guess that's one hard thing about planning a long trip. You have so many stops and so many reservations. Let's see, basically we were going to be out 7 weeks, and well, let's see, I have called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 places. So yeah, trying to think if there's anything else we need to do. I think we have enough fuel to get home. We're not going to plan a stop because I have a feeling Mark's going to want to drive as long as he can, which means if we do need to stop, we'll just stop at a rest area or a welcome center or something like that. Can't think of anything else to do. We've never had this happen before. We're blessed because of that. But when you gotta do what you gotta do, you just do it, right? So I'm gonna sign off for now. We need to have a good night's sleep and roll in the morning. Wow. Oh my gosh.
This is wider, I think. Look at that. He's just right on it.
Oh my god. This is the most narrow I've ever seen.
And look at us. We just go right through it.
Well, so far. We don't know how many of these there are.
Yeah, they get skinnier.
And I'm so glad I'm not driving.
This isn't too bad here.
It looks it to me. Holy Toledo. Yeah, that makes you squeeze your buttocks pretty tight.
Like a box of chocolates. Never know what you're gonna get. Sometimes you get wide roads, sometimes you get narrow roads. We made it back in one day, 13 hours to get home. And then we're going to sleep at home base, get a good night's sleep because it's late tonight. I don't know what time it is. I don't have my, well, my watch is dead. I've got my watch on, but it's dead. I think it's about 8:30 p.m., something like that. Anyway, we are going to just get a few things here out of the bus and then wake up in the morning and drive a couple of more hours. So we will keep you posted. Have a good week. I'll visit with you next time and see what we're going to do. I do have a plan to still do some things that we were going to do. We'll see how that works out. And just remember, always look on the bright side, be positive, and try your best to have the best day ever, whatever the circumstances are. Love y'all.